ready. All right, so let's do a countdown from 5, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open the door. Let's see. It's going to be behind one of them. Yes, there we got it. All right, Kevin from Fresno, number 4. That's Kevin from Fresno. You excited? I love it. That's fabulous. Congratulations, Kevin. Now, Richard's going to pull out here. You're going to take some photos in front of that car. That's fabulous.
I'm speechless. I can't even say a word, but it's good to some of that. Good to some of that. Everybody look right here.
We're real proud to be a partnership with the Texas Lottery because, you know, they support our veterans and schools and what have you, and it's a big deal. I was here when we didn't have a lottery, you know, when it got initiated here in Texas, and I've seen the good that they've done over the years.
Our primary mission at the lottery is to generate revenue for education and veterans, and I want to tell you, this game was a huge success for us. We generated $11.4 million in sales and $2.6 million in revenue for the Foundation School Fund for education right here in Texas. And the fact is that one of our finalists is going to walk away with a new car today, but the big winner today is education here in the state of Texas. So that's great. Appreciate everyone's participation. Thank you.